Hello everyone, welcome to Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here for an overview for Solana for the bullish and bearish scenarios. We have of course a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, hitting wave A or wave 1, ABC correction in both case scenario for wave B or wave 2, and after both case scenarios you would like to see continuation toward the upside impulsively. This is exactly what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 5 finished in an expanding diagonal, very nice, and taking the all-time high, and also taking the all-time high even from your wave A, meaning you have typically or literally finished a wave ABC in a zigzag, and then you're looking for 3 waves toward the downside in your bearish scenario right now. And of course, if you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as a leading diagonal, you're looking for wave 4 as well in a bearish scenario. And if we are in double 1, 2, because we have impulse correction, of course, we're looking for a correction in a wave 2 minimum target as well, 0.38 and 0.5. Now the beautiful things, of course, that we have a confluence between the targets, which is, of course, starting from the leading diagonal, which is a very, very minimum, yes, a very low possibility. And that because, of course, we hit the 1-to-1 fib level, longer than your wave 1 in price. Now, of course, this is a logarithmic chart. You will not realize it, but in price, this is longer than your wave 1, meaning that possibly that this is a low possibility for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. Higher possibility goes for double 1, 2s, guys, and then moving for higher, or you are in 3 ways up, 3 ways down, and wave C as well, impulsive toward the upside. Now, if we take a look exactly what's going on here, of course, we can see that the drop simply has already started. If we dive inside it, we can see that we have several 1-2s for Solana. We see double 1-2 and wave 3 toward the downside, a very, very sharp wave 4, probably invalidation. We're gonna, of course, investigate this inside the 4-hour chart. Inside our 4-hour chart, you can see our counting here. We have 1 and then 2 and then another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So nothing is invalidated here. Of course, we are looking at a wave 4 here as 3 waves up. Your wave 4 is related to this wave 1, so no invalidation until we hit this target. Of course, let's put our invalidation, by the way. So invalidation of a bearish is very far right now, guys. So yeah, and this is our target or our price for the invalidation, $229. And in this case, of course, you're still looking for lower because you are still in a wave 4, which of course it has continued the trend toward the downside impulsively, as you can see, and now we see some retracement. Did we finish this wave 1 and we're looking for wave 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation for the blue box here? Okay, it's very possible, but we're gonna of course have to investigate this as well on the 1-hour chart. Our targets for a wave 5 here are the following: $97 and $107, meaning your wave 5 of this 1-2 can be, of course, this target exactly. Yeah, meaning, yeah, I doubt that we have finished, of course, here. I doubt, of course, that we have bottomed, and especially that we didn't took the low. We didn't took the low, meaning that this is a preparation for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside again, right? So if we dive inside the 1-hour chart, we can see here clearly our impulse. We can see, of course, a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and potentially your wave 4 even not finished, guys. So potentially your wave 5 is still not finished, and same for your wave 4. Now, of course, we hit the blue box for 1.618, very nice. Let's clear up. Now, why your wave 4 might not be finished yet? Of course, let's move inside the 5-minute chart here. As you can see, after you have bottomed for a wave 3, you see a very long range. You see a move toward the upside, and then 3 waves toward the downside, meaning where is your wave 5? It should be impulsive, right? That means, of course, this correction is going longer in time. So 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even for a longer wave 4 in your yellow scenario. And that because if we have this wave 3 here, and this is your wave 4 that we are looking for it, here we go. We just of course hit today, or yes, it was today, to the 0.23, and now we are again into this level. Meaning we did not finish yet, guys, for this wave 4, and we probably still move a little bit higher. Yeah, it can be. The time required, of course, for a wave 2 here is the following as a wave 2. I know this is a very, very long trend. We have passed, I think, even the triple times. Yes, we passed it. So basically, yeah, very interesting. Let's see the 4. Yeah, we are very, very close to a 4 times. So preferably that we start to move lower for this because it starts to lower the possibility. Yeah, more than 4 times wave 4. I mean, until 6 times it is fine, but that is too long right now. So I believe that we are still now in this correction, and I think this is what happened. A, B, and a C. Now, did we finish this wave C? Let's check the 5-minute. Now, this looks like an impulse. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean, I prefer even to take a little bit the high here, even the high, but it can be. I mean, it can be a running flat. 3 waves, because of course you have 3 waves up. Your wave B took, of course, the low as an expanding flat, right? And yeah, if it finishes in running flat, that because of course of the time that it took for this wave 4, very long time, and that's why this is where the running flats start to appear potentially. But don't forget that this is also still can be an expanding flat and still can of course hit the 0.38. So basically this is what we want to know. We didn't finish yet, of course, our wave 5. Meaning we still, of course, looking for a wave 5 toward the downside to finish a wave A or a wave 1, hopefully not. Yeah, wave 1 is going to be very, very deep bearish scenario. Wave A is going to be a perfect scenario in confluence with our bullish scenarios, which they might unfold in the daily. Meaning we would like to finish here only an A, B, and a C to hit perfectly this blue zone here, and finishing, of course, a big 1, 2, 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside. Prices like impulsive, this will destroy us. Yeah, so it will destroy Solana 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is gonna hit the second blue box. That's why it is there as wave A, B, and a C, which is gonna hit the third blue box, and that's why it is there as well. So these are the possibilities, guys. I'm of course tending to be ABC just for this one here, and moving for the bullish scenarios toward the upside. On the 1-hour chart, as we have said, of course, we didn't finish this impulse. We need still one more wave toward the downside for your wave 5, and we're still looking for lower. And potentially, of course, the blue box is $107 and $97 for Solana. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.